Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to make awesome brushstroke effects in Canva today. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels for the dimensions. Next, look for the Design Elements panel to begin adding shapes, text, or images to your custom canvas. Choose the Brush tool from the toolbar on the left. You'll see a range of brush options appear at the top of your screen. Browse through the available brushes and select the one that best fits your project. Once selected, adjust the brush size and hardness as needed before starting to paint on your canvas. To add points on the map, click the Point tool in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the map to place points. Select this item, then rotate it to the desired angle. Once it is properly oriented, proceed to analyze the object. This ensures your analysis is based on the correct positioning for accurate results. Create a duplicate of the image. Next, flip the duplicate horizontally to position it left and right. Finally, strip or remove any extra elements to ensure both sides are clean and aligned perfectly. Click the duplicate button to create a copy of your selected item. To make another duplicate, click Duplicate again. Each click adds a new copy, allowing you to replicate items easily. Select the background area and paint. Set the color to black by choosing black from the color palette. Then use the Paint Bucket tool to fill the background. Next, select the specific area you want to change. Choose a new color and apply it using the paint bucket. Click on the color palette next to your current color. Select white from the available options to change your object's color to white. This updates the appearance to match your desired look. Go to the interview and click the Save button now. First, download the image file to your computer. Next, open the file and increase its size as needed using your preferred software. Once you've adjusted the dimensions, click the Download button again to save the resized version. Finally, proceed to add your brush effect to the updated image. Next, add a second element, which will be an image. Click the Elements tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Image and press Enter. Browse through the available images and select the one you want to add to your project. Let's look for a beautiful photo example. Scroll through the options until you find an image that stands out. This one looks great, so click on it to select it. Once selected, review the details and make sure it fits your needs. If it does, proceed by choosing the appropriate download size and clicking the download button to save the photo to your computer. Next, change the background. Locate the background settings in your design tools, then select the area you want to update. Choose a new background color here. We'll use gray. Notice how the gray effect enhances the overall appearance of your project. To add a new roller, locate the toolbar at the top of your screen and select the Add Roller button. A dialog box will appear. Enter the roller's details, such as name and specifications, then click Save. The roller will now appear in your list, ready to be used in your production flow. Click and drag the side handle to cut the video at this point. This will split your clip exactly where you need. Next, download the second image by clicking on it to open the full view. Then, look for the download icon or option, and click it to save the image to your computer for future use. Select just the second image by clicking on it. Once it's highlighted, find and click the download button to save that specific image to your device. Save the file as palace.png. Now you should have two images in your project. Next, add a new page by clicking the Add Page button. To remove an unwanted page, select it and click the Delete option to confirm its removal. Select the first and second items, then click and hold to drag them. Drop both items in the desired location to complete the action. This method allows you to move multiple selections at once efficiently. There are currently two images displayed. To change the background color, select the background layer, then set the color to white for a clean look. Go to the Tools or Apps section and select Blend. In the Blend menu, locate the option labeled Blend Image. This is where you can start combining your images together seamlessly. Click the plant image to begin. Now, select the first image that appears. Once you have selected it, move on to the second image and select that one as well. Rather than using the first image, use the second image for your next step. This will ensure accuracy in your process. This layer at the bottom is the stop layer. It works in the opposite way compared to the others. To activate or deactivate the stop layer, simply click on it once in the layer list. Multiply, then click the plus sign to add a page. After that, select Add to Design to include the new page in your current project. Follow these steps to complete the task. Click the Merge button to combine the changes in this pull request into the main project branch. Click Set as Background to apply image. This is the final result. First, delete the original item. Next, Remove this page to keep your workspace organized. Finally, click the Share button to distribute or export your completed project. Select PNG format, or alternatively, choose the print option to save as PDF. You're all set. Now you can make awesome brushstroke designs in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.